Prepare for luxury in the sky with the Mercedesimperion 2030, a cutting-edge electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft set to grace the skies in 2030. This four-seater marvel boasts a futuristic design with 16 electric motors, granting a range of 400 miles at a top speed of 186 miles per hour. Step into the opulent interior featuring lavish materials like leather, wood, and metal, complemented by a panoramic sunroof offering breathtaking views. Priced between $2 million to $5 million, the Empyrean promises a stylish journey through the skies for those seeking the pinnacle of luxury. The Chevrolet Silverado EV emerges as an electrifying force, standing out as a powerful all-electric pickup. Its robust design, illuminated front, and versatile interior transform it into a mobile workstation. The GM Ultium battery platform propels it with a remarkable 400-plus mile range, while its 1,000 horsepower capability and towing capacity of 10,000 pounds showcase its strength. Priced at around $50,000, this electrifying truck is set to hit the streets in late 2023, promising an exciting adventure in the realm of electric vehicles. Speedcore Performance worked their magic on the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon, enhancing its impressive 852 horsepower to an astonishing 1,419 horsepower with the addition of turbochargers. The Demon underwent a sleek transformation, receiving a 100% carbon fiber exterior, shedding 198 alls. This powerhouse conquers the quarter-mile drag track in a rapid 8.77 seconds, thanks to its 8-speed gearbox and starter assist system. This showstopper, auctioned for $160,000, exemplifies cruising in style with unparalleled muscle on wheels. Harley-Davidson, an iconic motorcycle brand since its 1903 inception, gained global fame by producing a staggering 28,189 motorcycles in 1920. Renowned for customization, today's spotlight is on the Harley-Davidson Softtail Custom Breakout. In its standard form, it's a robust, modern chopper, but experts elevated it with custom artwork, special wheels, adjustable suspension, and unique extras like custom exhausts. According to Harley-Davidson, traffic lights are race signals for this bike. The customized version is irresistible, urging riders to push its limits for an exhilarating experience. The Hyundai Santa Fe underwent a bold transformation, shedding its bland styling for a rugged, Land Rover-inspired look. Now Hyundai introduces the new XRT trim, unveiled at the Los Angeles Auto Show, based on the fully loaded Santa Fe calligraphy. The XRT features 18-inch wheels with 30-inch all-terrain tires, offering 1.5 inches of extra ground clearance and a 4,500 pounds towing capacity. While lacking an extra tough all-wheel drive version, it remains globally capable with various powertrain options, including gasoline, diesel, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid, providing a stylish and rugged choice for adventure seekers. The Lix Yacht Villa, a visionary design by architect Lix, redefines luxury living on water. This floating transparent house, featuring a helipad, submerges part of itself underwater like an inverted aquarium. With a spacious 300 square meter layout, it offers opulent amenities such as a living room with panoramic glass walls, a sports room, and a master bedroom with underwater views. While still a concept, the LX Yacht Villa has the potential to revolutionize travel, providing the comfort of a private home along with the enchantment of the underwater world. This innovative concept promises the best of both worlds, a luxurious residence and a mesmerizing aquatic experience. Introducing the Regent Sea Glider, a revolutionary fully electric wing and ground effect vehicle elevating water travel. This innovation flies just meters above the water, achieving airplane speeds with boat-like fuel efficiency. Powered by batteries, it covers up to 180 nautical miles, and future batteries may extend this range to over 500 nautical miles. Whether transporting passengers or cargo, the Seek Glider, set to launch commercially in 2025, promises a new era of high-speed, eco-friendly travel. The pricing details are yet to be revealed, marking a groundbreaking shift in maritime transportation. The Tesla Cybertruck, Tesla's highly anticipated electric vehicle, breaks the mold with its futuristic, edgy design and stainless steel exoskeleton, providing durability against stings and scratches. Inside, innovation thrives with a spacious interior, a giant touchscreen, and features like a digital rearview mirror. Priced at approximately $40,000, the Cybertruck is slated to hit the streets in late 2023. This electric marvel promises a wild ride, setting itself apart as a unique and eagerly awaited addition to Tesla's impressive lineup. This urban vehicle concept is built on the idea of a self-balanced vehicle with a stabilization system. The vehicle, designed for a large number of passengers, balances on two thin poles that move on specially installed rails. This innovative design allows the vehicle to navigate obstacles like bridges and elevated crossings, traveling at a higher altitude to ease traffic and avoid congestion. The system's flexibility enhances urban transport, offering increased capacity while respecting the environment. The Ford Tourneo Custom X Black Series Edition, originally aimed at practicality for taxi companies, transforms into a custom masterpiece courtesy of the polished team at Carlex Design. This makeover includes a sporty and aggressive exterior with enhanced bumpers, wider wheel arches, and custom rims. The interior receives a sleek plaque, red trim, a new steering wheel, and custom seats. Carlex Design's modifications elevate the Tourneo from a modest ride to an eye-catching and stylish vehicle, ensuring a pleasurable journey even on the longest trips.